There are several reasons why a motorcycle may not start. It helps to know the most common reasons and the methods to deal with them. Here's some troubleshooting tips for a smooth ride. You will need the following tools for this activity: a fuse plucker, a screwdriver. These are available in the motorcycle toolkit. One of the most common reasons for a failed ignition is non-availability of sufficient fuel. To check this, remove the side stand and put the motorcycle on the center stand. Now switch on the motorcycle, turn on the kill switch. Check for the fuel indicator on the instrument cluster. If the mark is blinking, it's time to fill up the tank. Next, let's check the fuse box. Open the right-hand side panel lock with the motorcycle key and then open the fuse box lid. Pull out each fuse with a fuse plucker. Check for the broken wire, which indicates a blown fuse. If found, then replace it with the spare fuse, which is available in the same box. Refer to the fuse inspection and replacement video tutorial on this channel for a detailed look at the process. Close the fuse box panel cover and lock it with the key. Next, let's take a look at the battery. If the battery is discharged, you will get the following signals. On self-start, the backlight on the cluster blinks. Horn sound intensity is very low. You will need to push start your motorcycle. Here is how to do it. First, ensure the ignition key and kill switch are on. Put the motorcycle on second gear. Now ask a friend to push the bike from behind. Once you gain a speed of 10 to 15 km per hour, release the clutch instantly and your motorcycle should start. You may have to repeat this process a few times for the motorcycle to start. Remember to get the battery charged at a Royal Enfield authorized workshop or battery franchising. Alternatively, you may use a standby battery or a battery from another motorcycle once you have ensured that it meets the required specifications. Another alternative method to start the motorcycle is to use a jump start kit. To do this, you need to attach the positive or red and negative or black terminals of the jump start kit to that of the motorcycle battery. Now press the ignition. Your motorcycle should fire up. Immediately remove the cables from the battery to prevent reverse current flow that may damage the jump starter kit. In case you face repeated issues with ignition, it is recommended to visit a Royal Enfield authorized service center near you to get your motorcycle checked. Ride safe!